On May 24, 2019, Jennifer Farber dropped her kids off at school, went back home, and was never seen again. Jennifer was a mother of 5 children. She was 50 years old, and she was going through a divorce and custody battle with her estranged husband, Fotis Doulos, when she disappeared. Police believe it was Fotis who killed her, along with the help of his girlfriend at the time, Michelle Troconis. Fotis was charged with murder, but took his own life soon after. Michelle Troconis, his girlfriend, was charged with conspiracy to commit murder, 2 counts of tampering with physical evidence, 2 counts of conspiracy to commit tampering with physical evidence, and hindering the prosecution. Michelle Troconis went to trial. After 27 days, including 9 hours of video and more than 200 pieces of evidence, the jurors deliberated. And after 2 full days, the 6-person jury found Michelle Troconis guilty on all charges. Michelle faces up to 50 years in prison and will be sentenced on May 31st. Michelle's family spoke out and they said they will continue to fight for Michelle and they believe she's innocent. But this May, it will be 5 years since Jennifer Farber disappeared, was murdered, and was never seen again. Her 5 children are now in middle school and high school and are being cared for by their nanny and their 88-year-old grandmother. The family sat in court. They watched along as they were hoping for justice. After the guilty verdict was reached in the Michelle Troconis trial, the Farber family and friends released this statement through their spokesperson, Carrie Luft. Today's verdict is a crucial attribution of accountability, not a victory. There can be no victory when 5 children are growing up without their mother. This verdict represents the meticulous collection, analysis, and presentation of evidence to illuminate an unconscionable series of crimes. That immense body of evidence also serves to highlight the gaps that remain in this case. Most important, that Jennifer Farber still has not been found. We have lost a mother, daughter, sister, cousin, and cherished friend. Jennifer's loved ones cannot bury her next to her father. We want to thank the jury for their commitment and careful deliberation during this lengthy, complex trial, and Judge Kevin Randolph for his guidance and authority in the courtroom. We remain deeply indebted to the state's attorney's office, in particular, prosecutors Michelle Manning and Sean McDinnis, Assistant State's Attorney Elizabeth Moran, and Case Inspector David Edwards for their tireless work, expertise, endurance, and dedication in the courtroom and out. We express our unending gratitude and respect to the investigators, analysts, and other law enforcement personnel who have shown an unflagging commitment to Jennifer's case over a span of nearly 5 years. We owe a special debt of thanks to those individuals, law enforcement and civilian, who testified at this trial and in its hearings. Your courage and integrity inspire us. Many questions remain as we approach the 5-year marker. It is our hope that the resurgent public interest in this case might spur new viable leads. In the meantime, Jennifer's grace, goodness, and light live on through her children and the honor of her memory. We ask that you respect Jennifer's memory and the privacy of her family and loved ones at this time.